Abu Dhabi government has initiated its e-governance things. Part of it is Abu Dhabi Security Exchange. The department is trying to modernize itself, attract more companies to register with it. Now I'm speaking to the CEO who can speak more about the future plans and present activities at it.
As a stock market, the accessibility to the stock market and to the information of the stock market is a very important factor for the successful and for the improvement of the stock market. As a result, we have learned the technology a lot. So we have ended up having about 46 services, electronic services done internally. And there are about 38 services are targeting the stakeholders, could be brokers, could be investors, listed companies. In this event, since the government is having objectives to provide the services electronically and smartly, we have launched a new system called, it is part of the iPad. This system is a device that could be accessed by the investors, brokers and listed companies at the same time. The features of these applications enables the investors at the end of the day to look at the full and detailed information about the transactions of the day. They look at the performance of the index, they look at the sectors, and they could even manage their portfolio. And this is what we have achieved so far.
What are your plans to attract more investors, more brokers here?
When it comes to the technology, our future plan is to put the ratios which would help the investors and the brokers as well to consider their future decisions based on analysis. In other words, we will translate the financial statements plus the important ratios and will be inserted into these applications. So in the future, the investors and the stakeholders will be able to see at the history of the transactions, at the current transactions, and they will look at the ratios that would enable them to have more straightforward decisions.
What is the rationale behind participating in GITEX, which is more known for the technological revolutions? You are end customer.
As the vision of the government to provide most of the services electronically. So we are moving in alignment with the strategic of the government by providing all of these services and information and data to the end users at the same time fairly and should be electronically and reachable efficiently.
Everything boils down on the data center you have, how strong the back end is. What are your plans to modernize it? Not now, maybe in future times.
We are dealing with all type of data and information. So the security of this information and the strength of this information are very important. As a result, we have made sure that all the hardware, software and all the infrastructures are protected. And we have layers of protection to make sure that this information are not reachable to unauthorized people. In addition to that, we came to the procedure, we came to the environment, the physical environment of the stock market, and we have emphasized that all of these features are up to the date. As a result, we have approached the company to give us a certificate, making sure that this is protected information. So we have ended up that exercise, and as we talk today, we have a certificate of ISO 27009. That is a certificate that makes sure that all the physical access, electronic, everything is protected.
What is your expectation out of this expo?
When it comes to the expectation of the customers, definitely the market is approaching all the stakeholders, and we are trying to attract all the investors, all the even suppliers. So they are in the pipeline, further development, and this development will be achieved by the specialized technology provider.
I find some departments are developing their own patented applications and giving that to be utilized by other departments. Are you also developing certain applications which are patented or which are unique to you and that can be used in other departments as well in GC Security?
We are trying to leverage on the other entities, and we are learning from other entities, and we are learning and trying to get the best practice. And these other entities could be local as well as international. So it is very much, that's what we do in a day-to-day business. We are leveraging other entities and we try to provide the best services to our stakeholders.
All right, sir. Thank you very much. Nice speaking to you.
Thank you. My pleasure.